Wow. If you're in the market for a smartwatch, Carbinox Edge just released their latest version of their watch. It is called the Edge, and it is easily, probably, in my opinion, one of the best smartwatches for the working man or woman on the market. And we're going to go through a bunch of the perks that I love about it right now. Firstly, let's put on some gloves because I am a woodworker, metalworker, artist, whatever you want to call me nowadays. I like to get my hands dirty, at least sometimes. And in the words of my father, put on gloves. I'm just going to show you. I think that one of the coolest things about this watch is that you can put on gloves and it works just as good, if not better. It's really comparative. Let's change the screens. Let's go to the home screen. I can obviously change the screen wearing gloves. No problem. It's just like I have my normal hands on. But let's talk about the features that I love about this watch. Obviously, you have two different colors. It probably matters on the fit, but you have the stainless steel and the black. I have more of a military background, and I more or less like the incognito mode with the black. And, you know, if I'm feeling frisky, maybe on a different day, I'll go to the stainless steel or the silver. But let's talk about the features that make this such an easy choice for a smartwatch. Let alone, let's just rewind, the price. If you compare the price to today's Apple watches, for instance, I think this watch, this is my wife's watch, but I think it was running like 300 to like 700. You get the top of the line, and you're gonna get a probably $700 watch. Carbinox has the Edge listed at $100 to $150. I think they are going up in price, so it's better to get it now before they go up in that price. So anywhere from, let's say, $100 to $200 with all the features and the durability of a smartwatch, of just a rugged watch. Why would you not want something rugged if you were in the industry of getting stuff broken? Look, let's rewind real quick again. I would not wear a smartwatch in my shop. I constantly hit it against the table, constantly hit it, scratch it. Just way too many hazards that I would want to risk to a smartwatch that doesn't have a warranty or the durability to survive. So let's talk about some awesome features. I want to talk about the real use of the screen. It has a Gorilla Glass, and I'll show you the features and some of the perks that it comes with. For instance, it has all of these features on the box. Plenty to go off of. If you want to look them up, I would just read the website. All of them are true. At least as far as I can tell, all of them are true. I've tried a couple of them. The waterproofing, the connection to the Bluetooth, the app, the brightness, everything it talks about, whether it's talking about the strap to the watch itself, are true. And that says a lot. If you have the integrity to sell a product and the product is that product, that's a good product in my mind. So real quick, let's just talk about the app, because I think the app is super important. We have the Carbinox Max app. And we're going to go into this app and jump into one of the best features I think this thing has is the watch face store. You can basically get any watch face on here for free. I think there are some paid ones, but let's just say I want to go with, I don't know, this Alpenglow Path. I'm going to click apply, and it's going to download instantly. Tell me what kind of app is that responsive and can do that in a heartbeat like that. So let's say I have a different fit for the day. I want to wear a different outfit, have a different theme. I could just go into the app, see what matches or what's trending, and apply it to the watch. And you can go on and on, but that's a really cool background. Maybe I'm feeling like a colorful kind of day, and I'll just put that on there. And I just want to talk about the app again because I think it's really important. You know, my biggest pet peeve that I thought I was going to have with this watch was the Bluetooth app and connecting to it. And it was actually really easy. So let's just jump into that, prove that it's easy. We're going to switch devices. We're going to switch to the silver, and it's going to happen instantaneously. It needs a firmware update, but there we go. We're on this new watch, and I can change the screen just like that. Boom, done. Let's go into number 2. So I would say The real use, the screen, the Gorilla Glass is perk number 1. Perk number 2 is the Bluetooth pairing. Like super easy, super unique, and super just user-friendly. That's all I want in a watch. I don't wear a watch very often, but when I do, I want it to be easy. I want to be able to slap it on my wrist and go about my day. No questions asked. Number 3 was the watch faces. Having all those different watch faces and not being tied to one is amazing. But at the same time, being able to read this watch in direct sunlight or in the LEDs in my shop, like let's see. You can see the LEDs in my shop, but you can see right past them into the screen. And I think that's so awesome. Like, I've had watches that are dull and dim and you can't read them in direct sunlight, and I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with this watch. Finally, or maybe not finally, the features just keep going. Things that I've seen improve in watches over the years just keep adding up, and this watch answers all of them. The battery. Apple Watches, I think I used to get like 1 to 3 days in battery life. I've had this thing on for a week now, and we are at 46% battery. Their claim, per the box, okay, maybe there's no claim on the box, but on their website, I believe it said it had like a 14-day battery life. Whatever it is, I'll put it here on the screen just so we're all clear. That's a massive amount of time. And then I read you can charge it in like an hour or 2 using just this little simple pad with a USB cord. So not hard, it's not a big ask. So battery, another perk. What are we on, 4? Moving on, the speaker. It has a speaker for a smartwatch. It's just like such a quality of life thing. It's awesome. It gives you notifications if you have text messages. You can scroll over, it will alert you, it will vibrate, it will make a sound, and then you can also have a conversation on the phone. Now on to the con. This is probably just for me because I have roughly small wrists, but if I put the watch on, I would argue that I have smaller wrists. I obviously don't work out anymore, but I think it sits a little, just a little too long this way. So not vertically, not off the wrist, just horizontally, it is about the size of my left wrist, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but I do think it sits just a little too up and down. Vertically wise, it's not as like tall. Like I have an Apple Watch here, and I just want to compare if possible. Obviously this thing is super thin, fragile, not durable. And then you have this chunky, it's not really chunky, it's just durable. It's like really well built, and it will be so much more, or I'm not afraid to get this dirty. Let's leave it at that. And then finally, right on the box, that's a huge claim. Oh yeah, scan this code to activate your lifetime warranty. Look, there's a lot of companies out there that have warranties, like tools. Obviously I have Milwaukee tools, but they don't offer any sort of warranty. You break it, you buy a new one. Unless it is within like a warranty period. I'm not super familiar with it. I try not to break my crap, but it does break over time. So how many perks do we have? We have the screen being the Gorilla Glass, the frame, indestructible nature, a durable watch. Obviously we have all the features of a smartwatch as well. So the screen, the watch, the actual functionality I would say is a huge perk. We'll leave that as 1. The Bluetooth pairing, super ease of use with the app, UI, the HUD, all of that is super like phenomenal and nice, like just practicality, like function of use is so easy. So 2, the watch faces, various watch faces, the different fit, the different color schemes, all of that, I would say is 3. And then the battery and the build, again, just like number 4. The perks just keep going up and up. The speaker, the size, the Apple Watch cost to comparisons. I just want to keep changing the screens. I think it's just so funny. And then obviously the warranty. Like it doesn't really get much better than that. So thank you Carbinox for sending these to me. I really do appreciate the fact that I got to try these out. And I look forward to wearing them in the future and seeing what else you guys come out with in the future. If you are interested in picking up your own pair or your own version of Carbinox Edge, I'll have a link down in the description for you to click. Feel free. If you have any questions, reach out. I would be happy to share any follow-up thoughts that I have. I look forward to wearing this watch and continuing to see what it has to put out. Thank you, Carbinox, and have a great one. Later.